Hey, how's it going? My name is Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to issue unique coupon codes utilizing ActiveChat and their new Google Sheets integration. And before I get started, just to give you a really quick rundown, just a little bit about myself, is I'm usually the guy who's watching these videos on YouTube and kind of taking notes, but I didn't see anything on this. Maybe I'm late, or maybe there's something already exists, but this was my take on it, and this is by no means the best way to do it or probably even super efficient. This is just my version of it, and I kind of do this just as a side hustle for one of my clients, and I'm hoping you guys get something from this, and maybe you can use it in one of your skills on your ActiveChat bot. So really quick, this is my first skill. I'm going to show you two versions. This is not the complete one, so don't build this one and say, hey, I nailed it, we're done. There's actually a couple things we have to add, and I'm going to show you on the skill number 2. So I'm going to walk you through this really quick. So the first thing is my catch. I'm kind of going to mess this up already because I use dialog flow. It's almost like the natural language thing to trigger this. So you can create a button or a link or do something, however you want to trigger it, make that happen. But with mine, I use dialog flow. I might make a video on that in the future. Other than that, the first thing you're going to want to do before you even get started with this is you're going to want to go to settings, integrations, and link your Google Sheets account to your ActiveChat. I'm not going to walk through that. If you need help, go to the help and knock it out. I don't want to spend time doing that part. I just want to kind of focus on this. And then the second thing you want to do before you build your flow is create your Google Sheet. So I have my Google Sheets account. It's here, and I titled this one Coupon Code Sheet. And then I have 4 columns. Actually, yeah, 4 columns: Facebook ID, coupon code, date, and name. And notice that I already populated column B. And this is going to be important, and you have to do this on yours if you want it to work like mine works. And these are all sequential. Let's just pretend these are like Amazon codes, but you'll take these from Amazon and paste them into your coupon code column, I mean. All right, now that we're back here, the first thing you're going to want to do is, once again, create your own catch, your button, your link, however you want to make this skill trigger. And then I just have a text, hey, I knew I liked you, generating your coupon code now. Please wait. Your coupon code is, and then it's going to fetch it using your Google Sheets integration. The first thing you want to do is use a Google Sheet search. This is so first you point it to the spreadsheet you created. My spreadsheet was called Coupon Code Sheet. The worksheet is 1. I only have 1 worksheet. You can pick whatever. If you have more than 1 worksheet, you can pick the drop down here and pick it. Start row equals 1. Column equals A. And this is this part right here is really important. Value equals blank. This is blank, even though it says value there, but I didn't put anything in there. It's blank. And I'll show you why this is important. They actually have a pretty good help file on Google Sheets. So what you would do is you would click help, and it would bring up this, and then from here you want to go to integrations and Google Sheets chatbot integration. And how I found that blank part is, here's how you connect it, by the way. So searching for data in Google Sheets with the chatbot. So this is the important part. If I could find it. Oh, right here. Boom. To find empty row, this is required if you want to add new rows to your spreadsheet. Just keep value field empty, which is exactly what I did. Please note that this will find the first row where the cell in the selected column is empty and contains no value. And I'll show you why this is important. So my bot is searching, and it's searching column A for the first blank row. Here's the first one. Is that row blank? No. So it's going to continue to the next one. So this one's blank. It's going to say, okay, I found your row that I found the row that we're looking for, and it's now going to start working with this row from that Google Sheet search. Now that we're back here, we're going to do a Google Sheet update. Now that we're in that row, we're going to start updating that row. And here's how we do that. Spreadsheet ID equals coupon code sheet. I don't know what that is. Worksheet equals sheet 1. And And then now that we're doing an update, row equals $GS row or Google Sheet row. And how did I get that? Once again, I went to the help. And now we're not doing a search anymore, we're doing an update. So updating data in Google Sheets from the chatbot. So I got it right off the bat from this first note. Now when you have $GS row value, it can be used to send data to this row in your spreadsheet. Use GS update block to achieve this. With ActiveChat's Google Sheet chatbot integration, you can, okay, I don't care about that. Well, we're using the GS update block, and we're using this code to now update that row that the Google Sheet search is focusing on. So once again, let me go to this one. We are now focusing on the first blank row, and it's going to start updating this blank row. And what do I want to update it with? I want to update cell value A with their Facebook ID. And then notice I skipped B because we already have B is already populated with our coupon code. So Facebook ID is going to get populated. But notice I didn't put column B in there because we already have information in there. We don't want it to overwrite that. We just want to leave that as is. And then the next one is going to be date and name. So C is your date and D is your name. I'm actually going to change that to, let's do first name. Run. So now, once again, it's going to search for the first blank row. Then it's going to target that row and start updating it with the user's Facebook ID, the date, and the person's first name. Okay, and then from there, it's going to output this text, $_ Google Sheets or GS _ B for column B. And where is that at? Column B in the current row that we're in. And that's going to be our coupon code. So it's going to output the entire coupon code into the chat block. And I got that from the help file again. See, $_ GS _ column B will contain the cell value from B column in this row. So perfect. That's exactly what we want. We want the coupon code to be issued to the customer. And then the next text is going to say, click on the Amazon link below to use your coupon. I mean, this is just very generic. I just put it together to get it out for one of my clients, and then I created a fake Facebook business page to test it on so I can demo it for you guys. So let's do the demo real quick. So here we go. So once again, I have a dialogue flow, so it's not, I don't have a button or anything. It's almost like natural language, and it'll trigger the coupon thing. Let's say somebody's chatting and they're gonna say, hey, do you have any coupons? Hopefully that works. And dialogue flow should pick it up. Yes, it does. Would you like a coupon? And then they're going to say absolutely, or maybe next time. Absolutely is going to trigger. It's going to trigger my skill. So once they click this, everything is going to run as we just went through. Absolutely. Here we go. I knew I liked you. Generating your coupon code now. Please wait. Your coupon code is 31. That was the next one in the spreadsheet. Click on the Amazon link below to use your coupon, and they can buy on Amazon with their coupon code. But here's the cool part. Let me go to this Google Sheets. It actually updated that block with my Facebook ID, and I already had the coupon code there, has the date and my first name. And here is the neat part. So that first code we did, the Google search, leaving it blank. Now that this is populated with someone's Facebook ID, you don't have to worry about tagging and doing people sequentially, because it's going to look for the next blank row for the next customer. And that's going to be here, which will automatically trigger the next coupon code in sequence. If that hopefully that makes sense to you guys. So every time a Facebook ID or anything populates in column A, you're going to continue just to bump down and give them the next coupon code and the next coupon code, the next coupon code, until you run out. Then I have this block here that says, unfortunately, we're out of coupons. Please check back later. And once again, I said that this is not complete, so don't use this as it sits. Oh, this is also important. If you have error, make sure you pipe it out to $last error. ActiveChat says to do that, so I do. I guess it kicks out an error code if something's messing up. So here is a downside to this version of it. I'm going to be greedy. I really want this discount that you're offering. I want another coupon. And I can just go through again and boom, give me another coupon, man. I knew I liked you. They're getting the same text. You could probably switch it up to give them alternating ones. This, like I said, this is just a test. Oh, it took a little bit longer that time. Coupon code is 32. So now I have the next coupon code. They're 31. Now this one's 32. But the problem with this is this person's being greedy and they're stealing all your coupon codes. But this is cool. Your coupon code sheet updated knows that Larry took 2 coupons. Here's the date. Here's the coupon codes that he has. But let me show you how to stop this. This is the next version of the skill. So what I need to do is I need to change the name of this skill to coupon 1 so it doesn't trigger. And then I'll change the skill of this one back to coupon. Oops. Coupon. And then don't forget to run. I always forget to run stuff on ActiveChat, and then I don't know why my stuff doesn't work because I didn't run it. It's probably just me though. So with this, here is my next flow, and I'll show you what I added. So what I want to do is I want to put a switch in, and then it's going to tag the person. As soon as they say, hey, I want a coupon, the first thing it's going to do is going to look, does this person have a tag called received coupon on their name? If it equals yes, then the success thing is going to send them to my reject skill. And then I can show you that really quick. My reject is, we're sorry, it looks like you have already received a coupon. Then that will give them a link to start over. But if they have not received a coupon, it'll continue the flow. I knew I liked you, the same thing you've already seen a million times, and it's going to run the whole flow, give them the coupon, and then it'll pipe out their coupon. But here is another key part that you need to include. You need to add a data block here. And this data block is going to give them the tag I named it $_received_coupon, and it's going to equal yes. So if you've made it this far through the flow, then that means you've received a coupon, or you've at least seen what your coupon should be in the chat bot. So now you are tagged with, I received a coupon. I can't be greedy and get the rest of them now. And then that text, this is your first tag, so it's going to let you go to Amazon and buy it. So let's actually test this one out. I should be able to successfully buy it the first time, unless if I didn't delete my user. We're going to find out in a second. Let me run it again just to be sure. Okay, now let's jump over and test it. It should work the first time because we haven't tagged the user yet. So really quick, as you can see, I messed up on one of my codes, so I already jumped to the next coupon from that one. Can I get a discount? I already tested that previously to see if it worked, and it did, which is surprising because it didn't have the word coupon in it, but Dialogflow picked up on it. Or maybe I typed it into Dialogflow, I can't remember. I guess I can't get a discount. Come on, let's go. Oh, here we go. So once again, absolutely is going to trigger my skill. It's just going to run it. I knew I liked you, generating your coupon code now. Please wait. Now we're on coupon code 34, so this is working perfectly. But if it worked properly, now that I've seen a coupon code, this user should now be tagged. Okay, so I'm going to show you that right now. Actually, before I show you the tag, let's see the coupon code sheet. Once again, I have 33. I messed up. I had to redo it. So right here, everything is populated again. He's now on coupon code 34. The date, first name, but here's the important thing. He should now have a tag on him. You could find that out by going to users. And my one user in here, Facebook, subscribe. Oh, I need to add a column. Received coupon, add that column. And now it's showing, hey, this user has received a coupon. He's now tagged. He has received a coupon. So the next time around the flow, he should get denied. So where's that at again? So he was tagged here. And now when he does the skill, it's going to say, hey, does he have this tag? It should say yes, and then send him to the reject. Let's see if it works. Coupons? This isn't going to work. Coupons, bro? It did work. So would you like a coupon? Absolutely. Give me that coupon. I'm being greedy. Oh, we are so it did work. We are sorry. It looks like you already have. It looks like you have. Man, I can't read, or I didn't write that correctly. We are sorry. It looks like you have already received a coupon. Oh, and they give them one option to start over. So that's it. That's how it works. That's how it works for me. Hopefully you guys can take this and make it your own, or maybe come up with some different ideas of how to improve the flow or how to get it to work better. But one of the things I really like is that whole leaving this first column blank, or whatever column you want to pick, blank. So it'll just find it and start populating your rows sequentially with people's information. And then obviously you want to tag them so they can't steal all your coupons. And then you'll just have a nice clean spreadsheet that you can issue out coupons, unique coupons to individual users one at a time, and they can't be greedy and steal them all from you with this new switch in data block. Hopefully that makes sense. If it didn't, I'll try to explain it the best I can in the comments. I don't know how often I'll be on YouTube because I usually just watch YouTube. I'm not really making videos and responding to folk. This is the first one I've created, so hopefully you liked it. Hopefully you got something from it. And maybe in the future I can show you some how to integrate Dialogflow if you don't already know how to do that. There's some pretty cool things you can do with it. You can actually, for an example, you can kind of chat with your bot and just say random things like, I'm tired. Sleep is important to your health. Rest up and we can chat later. Let's see if he says something different this time. Usually they say something different. Hopefully he does, yeah. Why not get some rest? I'll be here to chat with you when you wake up. This isn't gonna, let's see. My keyboard is super loud. Load. Super load. I can't spell. He's not going to understand that either. Maybe? Come on. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Oh, he read it. I can't spell. Maybe some music would help. Try listening to something relaxed. Really? Is that like a natural language reply from Google? I guess it's better than nothing. I guess the cure to lack of spelling or terrible spelling is listening to relaxing music. So that's from Google. Oh, that's the only advice they give. Anyways, that's just something I can show you guys in the future, but I hope you liked the video. Hopefully you can issue out some coupons and make it happen. Let me know. All right, talk to you later. Bye. Hey, how's it going? My name is Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to issue unique coupon codes to customers utilizing ActiveChat and Google Sheets. And actually, before oh my gosh, are you serious? My Google Home decided to respond to me. Shut up. All right, let's do that again. Hey, how's it going? My name is Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to issue unique coupon codes to customers utilizing Google. Ugh. Hey, how's it going? My name is Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to issue unique coupon codes to customers using ActiveChat and Google Sheets. And actually, before I get started,
I found a few Sheets locations near you.
Are you serious? That's twice. What am I saying? Hey Google, mute.